Well, hello there. I know it's been a while. I actually had a dentist appointment, and after my appointment, I was like, let me stop by Home Depot. And I'm so glad that I did. Stumbled on the deals 50% off Leaf Joy indoor plants. You won't believe. I love clearance deal. All the way in the back. Know how long this special is going to last. So I encourage you to get out there and check out your local Home Depot. I'm pretty excited. Two was originally $49.99 for one. Here, let me show you. Selection. Look at this allocation. Just got back from Hawaii. It's giving me Hawaiian vibes. They've got some monsteras and a lot of good Hoyas. But I was pleasantly surprised. They've got a nice little selection here. Let me put it on the ground so you can see it better. I did pick one of those because I don't have that currently in my collection. Some more philodendrons. Nice. 50% off. The Hoya. I might have to do it. Oh my gosh. Can't beat that. Other, oh yeah, and the Frydeks. I got one of those in my cart. 50% off, you cannot beat that. Yep, I definitely got that. I was just trying to find a better of the Pink Princess. I absolutely adore them, but they don't look really healthy, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass on these. This is crazy. I just bought the craziest plants. I'm so glad that I brought you along with me. This is an insane plant haul. My new Burley Mark Flame, which is very hard to find. I finally have one, or actually two. Thai constellations, but pretty much perfect. I don't really care for the variegation, the yellowing, and this one barely has it. It's got a couple of new leaves. Ended up finding two Burley Mark plants and a Monstera Thai constellation. I mean, I looked through all the plants. A couple of the plants really did look pretty bad, but these, as you can see, look at these leaves, and there's a lot of new growth you can see. So the Burley Marks was originally $49, 50% off. The Thai constellation was $29, again marked 50% off. I can't believe how much I have saved, and you still have time to get out there and rescue some plants before they die. Although I got a really good selection. It's pretty strong. The plant is pretty healthy and it's pretty strong. I have no idea why they are marking, maybe because of the weather, why they're marking their plants down clearance. I mean, these plants look pretty healthy. This is the one, it's damaged, but I'm going to leave it on there. It's got new growth. All three of the plants has new growth. Look at this. Look at that. This is my clearance still. It's been so long since I've been houseplant shopping. I'm getting ready to head back home, get these babies cleaned up. It's very important that you check the leaves, even in the store. That's what I did. I checked the leaves, make sure there was no bugs, and everything looks pretty good. As soon as I get them home, I'm going to wipe the leaves down really, really good. Home, I'm cleaning them. Actually, I'm cleaning the leaves. I'm still constantly checking for pests and placing them in a good light spot so that they can get adjusted. Most of my plants were purchased as rescue plants. And as you'll see in this larger planter, I combined several propagations from last spring and decided to keep them together for the winter. I don't recommend this method if you're a beginner plant mom, but by spring they should all be full plants, and then I'll divide them and move them each into their own pot. You can see they're thriving. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Blissful Spaces, where I share my organic vegetable garden and cook healthy meals from my preparedness kitchen garden. Since it's winter, I'm enjoying caring for my rare houseplants indoors. While we're waiting for spring to arrive and outdoor vegetable gardening to begin, caring for houseplants is a great way to support wellness indoors. Houseplants bring a touch of nature inside, which can really help reduce stress in these crazy times and improve mood during the colder months. Oh my gosh, it's been cold here. Comment down below and let me know what zone you live in and how the weather is and what you're doing to prepare for your spring garden. Taking care of my houseplants gives me a calming routine and a sense of responsibility. Even when we can't garden outside, watching new leaves grow reminds me that spring is coming, and it keeps our gardening skills active. By caring for houseplants now, we're nurturing both our indoor spaces and our well-being while we wait for the outdoor growing seasons to return. Look at how massive and how huge these leaves are. It's crazy. And I enjoy sharing my ultimate plant collection with you. Yes, I'm sharing all my secrets, how I grow my indoor plants. Grow the craziest plants in the tiniest spaces. Some of these leaves are massive, and I can't believe I grew these from cuttings. Gotta be one of my favorite plants. This was a this is a variegated Cebu Blue. It was a cutting that I've been growing, and I'm really excited to see all the new growth on there. This is a variegated. She's absolutely gorgeous. A variegated Frydek, one of my favorite. And then anthuriums. I'm trying my hand at anthuriums. I've got the duck block in the back, and then I'm just showing you how excited. Some more variegated Florida Ghost, which I love. But anyways, I've been propagating from the mother plant of my Florida Ghost, and it's doing really good. More variegation. I just love everything plants, and then if it has variegations, I love it. And then here's another favorite, a philodendron. I love her. She is gorgeous. I have chopped her and propagated her about 4 or 5 times. Hey, guess what? You win the prize. You watched the video all the way to the end. My long form video I love creating and sharing with you. Happy New Year 2026, if I haven't already said it. And yes, you won. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. I'll see you in my next video. Blessings.